step. And yes, this is a memory foam. All right, so in this video I'm gonna show you and compare two different mattress memory foam toppers. These are two different brands with two different surfaces. So they're both supposed to be 4 inches. So this one is just under 3 inches, more like 2/7/8, and this one is definitely 4 inches. Okay, now they're both 25 inch across. Am I right? Yep, 25, and this one is also 25. Now in terms of both of these do claim to have a memory foam type thing, so we're gonna just put this out and step. And yes, this is a memory foam, 75 inches across, and you can see that it's wrinkly. It's wrinkly because it hasn't actually filled out, because it's only 3 inches. But the cool thing is it's modular, so you can like lift it like this, so you can sit down on it. You can have a back support. The reason we got these is obviously for portability. If you have a newborn baby, you can also play on these, and it's nice and soft if you have hardwood floors. These also come in different widths. Pretty much get a full queen size mattress, and it's all foldable. Some of these do come with bags, so you can store it quite easily, but these ones do not. Let's take a look at the label. This one, it's got a polyurethane foam pad 71%, visco elastic polyurethane foam pad 28%, and then polyurethane gel 1%. They do have zippers that allows you to open it up. Now this thicker foam, and then there's this thin one. This is the memory part, the blue one. This one is just more for like seating. It doesn't really return, but it's nice and dense and thick. I don't like that these zippers don't have the little handle. It makes it really easy to open up, but they do come out, so you can take these out and then you can wash this if you really want to. Definitely not really for outdoor application. The water is just gonna soak right into it like a cotton shirt. The back of this is does not. It's like a little rubbery, but this does still slide around. If you want the non-slide version, then you want to get something like this. This one's got these little rubbery dots, and that makes it non-slip pattern. Also, this one has, as you can see, an easier way of unzipping it. Now, if we take a look at this foam here on this other topper, thicker. So this one, you can see that it's got about one, and then this part is the thicker foam. Now, like, what is this made from? 100% polyester outer cover, 60% fiberglass, 40% flame retardant acrylic for the inner cover. And as far as the type of foam, it does not say. But this one also you can take out. But as you can see, this one is much more thick than this one here. See this one, and then this one. Right. So yeah, this one's better. Now the material itself on this one, this is kind of like a thin jean material. I actually quite like it. It's a little more durable than this one. This one is really thin. It's more of like a fiber, like a velvety, smooth. They're breathable for sure. This one is also breathable, but much more thicker and feels much more tear resistant. The top of this is much softer, almost like a mattress topper, very smooth and silky. There's like a honeycomb pattern on here as well. Let's just zip this up. Alright, now so you could use this as a yoga mat. You could use this as a sleeping bag in a tent. You could use this as a baby or a newborn or a toddler, sort of a playing space, because it's very soft and very comfortable. You could put it on a window bench, on the floor, use it as a reading type of a nook. It folds up in various sizes, so if you don't have a back, then you can create a back. Basically, you can still have a backing. They fold in quite nicely, very light to pick up. That's about it. So thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped make you a decision.